Hello friends, we're at the Portuguese and Timorese Social Club here in Darwin at 6 Batten Road, Marara. It is getting a bit late. It's about 9 p.m. and as you can see there's still an army of volunteers here sorting out. All the goods have been donated by the generous people of Darwin. There's a lot of packing still to do. As you can see, there's boxes, there's empty boxes still that need to be filled, and a lot of goods still on the ground waiting to be packed. So I'll make my point and I'll make it very quick. We need as many volunteers to turn up at the club over the next couple of days, on Friday and on Saturday from 9 a.m. We need as many volunteers as we can get, so get the word out there to the Darwin community. If you've got 30 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours to spare, come down and give us a hand so we can get all of this stuff packed up so that we can ship it to Timor next week. So the first slot is being shipped to Dili tomorrow, but the rest will have to be done in the next few days. So as you can see, we are overwhelmed by the generosity and the kindness of the people of Darwin. There is still a lot of work to be done, and so we're appealing for anyone that can give a little bit of your time on Friday and Saturday to come and help us out. That would be fantastic. Please feel free to share this video, and we look forward to seeing you over the next couple of days. Thank you.